This is Frank Burke with Dynasoar Rocketry, and today I've got a new kit that I finalized. It's shipping now. This is a 1/18th scale U.S. Air Force Dynasoar orbital shuttle concept. This is about 22 inches long, 16-inch wingspan, weighs 8.4 ounces, ready to fly, uses a 24mm E6. It's a little bit more complicated construction. It's got formers and sides, and the top is a piece of body tube that has the rail button holes already cut, so that part's pretty simple, and then you have to laminate 11 pieces of foam that are this profile, and then you sand it to shape, and on the bottom there's a little hatch for the battery and the nose weight to go up forward. Real nice flying model. So this version without the hump on the back, which allowed me to put the rail buttons up here, was an earlier design, and then they figured out in wind tunnel tests that they needed a little hump on the back for transonic stability. So I made a separate one just for me, which is the same as the kit, but it has an extra body tube piece on the back here, and because of that I had to do the rail buttons on the bottom through the foam, which is a little less strong if you were to land on something and catch something, so I prefer, that's what I'm going to do the kit of this one. A little simpler, a little bit more sturdy, foolproof. But this is basically the same specs, but it's got the little hump there, and that's what you see most of the time. This hump for transonic stability also turned out to be advantageous when mating it up to the Titan missiles, the way the aircraft had to be offset for boost center of gravity and all. So we'll give you a couple of flights. I don't think you'll be able to tell the difference between the two of them. This one's maybe 1/4 of an ounce heavier than the other one, but other than that, the identical boost settings, glide settings, and fly real nice. All right, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was even more hands off than the other one. All right? Good? Alright, taking off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright? Wow, that just boosted great. Oh, it's good in the air. Nice shape. Alright, perfect. Ready? Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, that was perfect.